Outstanding design defines the 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.